Hola amigos! Today we are making a mango margarita with Camarena silver tequila. So we're going to start off with our tequila. We're going to build this in our shaker, shake it with ice, and then pour it into our rocks glass. So we'll do 1.5 ounces of the Camarena silver. .5 ounces of triple sec, which is an orange flavored cordial. And what makes this margarita special is that we're adding mango flavor to it. So we're going to do 0.75 ounces of Monin mango syrup, which is super delicious. Next, you can't have a margarita without lime juice, so we're going to do 0.75 ounces of fresh lime juice. And to give it even more flavor, we're going to add 1 ounce of orange juice. I love a fresh margarita with orange juice. So we'll add ice to our shaker. And then we're going to cap it with our mixing glass and shake it up. We're going to make sure we're cracking our tins with our hand and not the bar. And just go ahead and pour it right into your rocks glass. And then we'll garnish it with a lime wedge. And notice that we've had a salt rim on the glass as well. And that is our mango margarita.